Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making glitter slime. So it's the same recipe, glue, baking soda, and eye contact solution. Only this time I'm going to be adding some glitter, purple glitter. And also, if you want to see me making this slime, I'm actually going to have to cut my head off a little bit, or the camera's going to cut off my head. I'm not really going to cut off my head, but you get the idea. Okay, so I'm just going to bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see it a little bit better. Here, wait a second, Can you guys see? Hope you can. So, our first ingredients is always glue, using clear. And I'm making a small amount. Next thing is baking soda. I just added a little bit of baking soda, and I'm actually putting the phone on the baking soda, so that's why you can't see the baking soda. But I promise you it's there. Now I'm just going to add some glitter. Oh, this is not coming out good. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is not coming out good, but I think that's good enough. Now I'm just going to put 4 drops of eye contact solution. So right now it's just really sticky. Okay, so it's pretty good, and it's formed, but it's really, really, really sticky. So I'm just going to get this glue off the table, and I'll show you. Just let me knead it for a second. Gosh, this is really sticky. But, guys, actually kind of looks gross. just needs a little bit more kneading. So I'm just going to try and roll up in a ball, so that'll help a little bit. But right now, guys, it's kind of like this purple. See, and it has little sparkles. If you can see that, I don't know if you can. I really do hope you enjoy this video, and remember to like and subscribe, and in the comments, you can also give me some ideas of what to make and what to do with my slime. And if you have any new recipes, I am thinking about doing an edible one. Now that may not come true or anything, but I'm thinking about it. So I already have some edible ideas, like I've seen chocolate frosting and put that in the microwave for 30 seconds and then it comes out all gooky. Then you put powdered sugar on the table and you just mix it around in powdered sugar and you get to eat it. And then there's the Starburst one where you do the exact same thing. You put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and then you mix it in the powdered sugar. I don't know anymore, so if you want to, please tell me some more in the comments. And I love you guys, and bye.